Right, in here, it is another place where people sit. Hey, but this ship is beautiful, guys. This ship is beautiful. Beautiful ship. Beautiful ship. Okay. Okay, let's go this side. Let's go this side. Medical is supposed to be this side. We're looking for a doctor. Right? We're looking for a doctor. Because remember now, when we are on a cruise ship, you are covered. You've got a travel insurance that covers you for 1 million. You are covered for about 1 million. You are able to go to a doctor and be seen by anybody. Anywhere in Europe, whether you go to Germany or you go to Italy. Look at this coffee delights. Right. So here is the shop. The shop special offer, but it's closed now. I think they'll open at night. Right. And here is another place. Yeah, this side, guys. Let's walk that side. Yeah, on that escalator, we go down. Right. These are all shops, guys. Shops. These are all shops, but it's closed now. They are closed now. As you can see, these are doors closed. Okay. And there's another shops. These are other shops as well. There's another shop as well where they sell clothes. So there's plenty shops. All right. Let's ask this lady quickly. Quick. Let me ask her. Hello. We're looking for medicals.
Medical, it's on the deck floor.
Deck floor, so I have to go down.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. Okay, thank you so much. But we have to go down to the deck floor and straight up, go this side. Come. Okay. We're taking the stairs now, but okay. We're taking the stairs now. We're going down. So you can see us, right? So here you can see me and my wife. It's me and my wife. My wife, me, my wife, me, right? My children. So right. So it's a mirror, guys. That's why you're able to see us, right? So you're going down, right? We have to go this side.